How to like a song on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can like a song on Spotify. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to like a playlist or a song on Spotify, it's relatively very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply, first of all, make sure to launch the Spotify application here. Once you launch the Spotify app, you can simply listen to any of the playlists that you might get over here, and you can see this playlist over here. If I want to like the whole playlist itself, you can see the heart-shaped icon right in this case. When you tap on it, it's going to be turned green. It means that it has been added to the liked songs on our library. Now if you want to like an individual song instead, then you can simply play a song from the playlist. If you'd like, you can simply open up that song. On the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll again be able to find this heart-shaped icon. You can just tap on it and the song will be added to your liked songs, and you can repeat the process for any of the other songs as well. Now later on, if you want to find all of these liked songs, what do you do? Well, to do that, you have to tap the Your Library option from the bottom right next to the Premium tab, and if you look at the very top, you have this heart-shaped icon that says liked songs. You can just tap on it, and then here you'll be able to see all the songs you've liked. If you would like to unlike them, you can just tap on the green heart-shaped icon again, and then you can tap on remove option. It'll get removed from your liked songs as well. That's it for today's video on how you can like a song on Spotify, but just for a bonus tip, I also showed you how you can unlike it. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.